Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will start by signing into the Google account that stores suggestions. Once signed in, open Chrome or the Google app and go straight to Settings, then Data and Privacy or Search. Make sure to use the same profile where suggestions appear, otherwise this won't affect the right data. Now, find the controls for Search or Autocomplete. This is where the real change happens. You're doing this because suggestions come from saved activity and personalized predictions. Stop those sources next. Now, disable autocomplete or search predictions. Toggle off the option labeled autocomplete with trending searches or similar. That stops live suggestions. Next, pause web and app activity to prevent future personalization and uncheck any boxes that let searches be saved. Then clear your search history and cache suggestions from My Activity or Chrome history. Delete search entries and cached images and files. Once done, Google can't show personalized suggestions based on finish by signing out and back in, then test the search bar to confirm suggestions are gone. If you still see prompts, make sure no other device is syncing web and app activity. Those devices can reintroduce suggestions. You can also disable Chrome Sync or remove the Google account from a device as a final step. If things go wrong, recheck each toggle and clear history again. Occasionally, a synced cache delays the change, so repeat clearing or wait a few minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.